Hello, everyone. It's Adriana Kizar, the director of USC's Pullias Center for Higher Education at the Rossier School of Education. And I'd like to invite you to join me for the 46th Pullias Lecture coming up on Monday, April 7th at the USC Hotel in Los Angeles. Our lecture always features inspiring and innovative leaders in higher education, and this year is no different. We're very excited to welcome Dr. John King Jr., the Chancellor of the State University of New York System, as our speaker this year, in conversation with myself and Rossier School of Education Dean Pedro Noguera. The title of Chancellor King's talk is Higher Education, Engine of Democracy, Security, and Upward Mobility, and we'll focus on the role that higher education plays in our society, and I think you'll all agree that this topic is especially timely this year given the volatile times we're experiencing in higher education. Dr. King joins a distinguished list of past Pullias lecturer speakers, including Shirley Malcolm from AAAS, California Community College Chancellor Eli Oakley, and last year's speakers, our distinguished panel on diversity featuring Eddie Cole, Liliana Garzas, and Royale Johnson. Please be sure to register now for this must-attend free lunchtime event with Chancellor King on April 7th. I look forward to seeing you there.